This is me trying to make oregano oil. So I bought a pack of oregano at the store. I put in air fryer for a few minutes to let it, completely dry. Initially, I was gonna just use the stem, because you can do that. You can just use the stem and use the oregano itself for cooking, but I decided the stem wasn't that much. It wasn't as much as I expected. So here we are. Decided to just use it all. And I'm using 12-ounce mason jar. Trying to get every last bit since it wasn't that much to begin with. And that was my first time using the air fryer to dry vegetable. So it was simpler than I expected and quick. So yeah, see, wasn't that much. And there's the extra virgin olive oil. Just bought it earlier that day, the same time as I bought the oregano. So it's brand new. Opened it just to use for this. I didn't realize it was gonna take so much of the bottle. I don't know. I didn't even think of the size of how much it is. But yes, it just kept pouring and pouring. Yep. I used more than half of that bottle. I was trying to see if I can just push some of that stem down so that way I won't have to put too much olive oil in there, because it needs to cover all the stem and the oregano completely. So pour some more. I think I pour maybe about 10 ounces or so. See, it's almost finished. Yeah. Once I put the olive oil, it actually make it look like there's more oregano in there. And just put in the what do you call that paper for baking? You can put it on a baking sheet or whatever. It's to protect from. It was suggested, so I saw it somewhere else that it's a good idea to put it. So that's what I'm using myself.